Welcome to my new Guitar Nerdery video. Meola's trademark when he plays strumming guitar is he puts in a lot of fills consisting of 30-second notes, very fast stuff. I'm going to show you 4 exercises that are pretty difficult when you play them up to tempo to train the ability to change the tempo into double time in a split second and very accurate. Exercise number 1, 8 30 seconds, 2 16ths, 8 30 seconds, 6 16ths. And the last 4 16th notes are played with down, up, down strokes. 1, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise number 2, the order of the notes, 8 30 seconds, 2 16ths, 8 30 seconds, 2 16ths, 4 30 seconds, 2 16ths. Number 2, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise number 3, the order of the notes. It starts with 8 30 seconds, 6 30 seconds, then 1/8 note, and followed by 7 16th notes. And those last 7 16th notes are not played with alternate strumming, but this way. Up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Number 3, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise number 4, very slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise number 4, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty hard to play. I hope you enjoy the challenge. This was it for today. Please like and subscribe, and I'm looking forward to see you next week.